Hello students, welcome back to studies. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Now in this case, the value of p is not given. We need to find out the value of p so that the left hand side of the equation becomes equal to the right hand side of the equation. So the given equation is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Let us assume the value of p is equal to 1. Then the equation will be 5 into value of p is 1 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 plus 2 is 7, which is not equal to 17. As such, p is equal to 1 will not equate the left hand side with the right hand side. Let us now assume p is equal to 2. So 5p plus 2 is equal to 17 is the given equation. 5 into the value of p now we are taking is 2 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2 is equal to 17. 10 plus 2 is 12, which is not equal to 17. As such, p is equal to 2 does not hold good. Let us assume p is equal to 3. Now what are we doing? Now this is what is called as trial and error method. We are taking the various values of p and trying to find out whether the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation becomes equal. Now here the given equation is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Now we are taking the value of p as 3. So 5 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 5 into 3 is 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17, which equals the right hand side of the equation. As such, the value of p is equal to 3. In short, if we take value of p is equal to 3, the left hand side of the equation will become equal to the right hand side of the equation. Now, if the value is not given, then we need to fix a value and try which value will hold good. That is why it is called as trial and error method. Let us solve the second problem. Now here we need to find the value of m. So let us take the value of m is equal to 1. Now here also it is trial and error method. So the given equation is 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Let us equate m is equal to 1. So minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 14 is equal to 4. So plus 3 minus 14. In case if you're doing plus 3 minus 14, take the bigger number sign. Since the signs are different, take the bigger number sign. That is sign of 14 is minus and subtract it. 14 minus 3 is 11. So the answer over here is minus 11, which is not equal to 4. As such, m is equal to 1 does not hold good for this given equation. Let us take m is equal to 2. So 3m minus 14 is equal to 4 is a given equation. We are substituting m is equal to 2 in the equation. So 3 into 2 is 6 minus 14 is equal to 4. Now if there is no sign, it is plus 6. So we have plus 6 minus 14. Different signs, take the bigger number sign and subtract. 14 minus 6 is 8. So the value of the left hand side of the equation will be minus 8, which is not equal to 4. As such, m is equal to 2 does not hold good for this equation. Let us substitute m is equal to 3. So the given equation is 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So 3 into value of m, now we are taking it as 3 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 14 is equal to 4. So plus 9 and minus 14. Two different signs, bigger number sign and subtract. 14 minus 9 is 5. So we get minus 5 on the left hand side, which is not equal to 4. Let us now assume m is equal to 4. So 3m minus 14 is equal to 4 is a given equation. Let us substitute the value of m is equal to 4 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 14 is equal to 4. Now if there is no sign, it is plus. So plus 12 minus 14, two different signs, put the bigger number sign and subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. So on the left hand side we get minus 2, which is not equal to 4. As such, m is equal to 4 does not hold good for this equation. Let us now assume m is equal to 5 and see whether this holds good. So substituting the value of m is equal to 5, we get 3 into 5 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 14 is equal to 4. 15 minus 14 is, this is plus 15, right? So plus 15 minus 14, different signs, put the bigger number sign and subtract. 15 minus 14 is 1. So we get plus 1, which is not equal to 4. As such, m is equal to 5 also does not hold good for this equation. Let us now see whether m is equal to 6 holds good for this equation. So 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So the value of m, now we are taking it as 6. Minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 into 6 is 18. Minus 14 is equal to 4. So plus, if there is no sign, it is plus, right? So plus 18 minus 14. Put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 18. Its sign is plus. 18 minus 14 is 4. So here we get plus 4, which is equal to plus 4 on the right hand side. As such, m is equal to 6 holds good for the given equation. Okay, so through trial and error method, by taking the values of m as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, we find that m is equal to 6 will equate the left hand side with the right hand side of the equation. That's all for now, students. Hope you all had a pleasant learning experience. See you all in our next video.